How to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the trading disabled issue on MetaTrader 5. If you're getting that message and can't place trades, don't worry. I'll show you several ways to solve it, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, let's check your platform settings. Once you're logged into your MT5 account, go to the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down, select Options. It's usually near the bottom. In the window that pops up, click the Trade tab. It should be the third one from the left. Look for one-click trading. Check the box to enable it, then scroll down and accept the disclaimer. Click OK, and then OK again to save your changes. Sometimes, this small change is all you need to get trading back up and running. If enabling one-click trading didn't solve the problem, here are two more common reasons why trading might be disabled. If you just created your MT5 account, trading will often be disabled until you make your first deposit. MetaTrader usually locks trading for brand new accounts as a security measure. So, if this is your first time using the platform and you haven't deposited funds yet, go ahead and do that. Once the deposit is confirmed, trading should be automatically enabled. Another possible cause is inactivity. If you haven't used your MT5 account for 30 days or more, trading may be temporarily restricted. In this case, MetaTrader disables trading to prevent misuse or unauthorized activity. But don't worry, it's fixable. All you need to do is contact their support team. Go to the official website of your broker or trading platform. Find their contact page. Reach out via email, live chat, or phone support and explain the issue. They should be able to reactivate trading on your account pretty quickly. To avoid this problem in the future, try to log in, deposit, or place at least one trade every 30 days. This will keep your account active and ensure uninterrupted access to trading.